Making a yogurt face mask is a simple and affordable way to treat your skin. Yogurt, a popular dairy product, is not only delicious but also packed with the goodness of probiotics, vitamins, and minerals, making it a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. To make a yogurt face mask, start by choosing the type of yogurt that suits your skin type. For dry skin, opt for full-fat or Greek yogurt, which offers extra hydration. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, use low-fat or non-fat yogurt. Once you have your yogurt, you can customize your face mask by adding other ingredients. For example, honey is great for moisturizing and soothing the skin, while lemon juice can help brighten and even out your complexion. To make the mask, simply mix a few tablespoons of yogurt with your chosen ingredients until well combined. Apply the mixture to your clean, dry face, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Leave it on for about 15-20 minutes, allowing the mask to work its magic. During this time, the yogurt will moisturize and nourish your skin, while any additional ingredients can provide additional benefits. Afterward, rinse off the mask with warm water and gently pat your face dry. Not only does a yogurt face mask leave your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated, but it can also help reduce inflammation, fight acne-causing bacteria, and improve the overall appearance of your skin. It's a great way to pamper yourself with a natural DIY spa treatment in the comfort of your own home. So why not give it a try? Your skin will thank you. Did we forget any useful tips? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know what you'd like to learn more about next.